Damien Grammaticus.
Under the microscope now, not the virus, but the government's approach to tackling it. Where many were hoping for clarity ahead of Christmas, there is instead uncertainty. Covid cases are surging, and Boris Johnson and his cabinet met yesterday, but they have yet to decide on any of the key questions. Are new Covid measures required for England? If so, how soon and how severe?
We agreed that we should keep the data from now on under constant review, keep following it hour by hour. And unfortunately, I must say to people, we will have to reserve the possibility of taking further action to protect the public.
So for now, the vaccination drive goes on, but no new restrictions. Several ministers in Mr Johnson's cabinet are reluctant to see more enacted, concerned about the effect on the economy and wanting more data on how this new Covid wave is impacting hospitals. Labour says there's a vacuum of leadership.
Instead of being hamstrung by his own cabinet and hiding from his own backbenchers, it's time that Boris Johnson stopped putting the politics of the Conservative Party ahead of public health and levelled with the country.
It's understood the Health Secretary Sajid Javid is in favour of cutting the length of isolation for people who have tested positive for Covid from 10 days to 7 if clinical advice supports the change. It would help organisations seeing rising staff absences. And already businesses are being hit by the advice people should work from home and suggestions it's prudent to prioritise who you have contact with. Some in hospitality and entertainment are warning they need clarity soon. They face critical decisions in the coming days about whether to go ahead with events planned in the coming weeks.
The businesses have got the data, they've got the cancellations, they've got less turnover, they're not making profits. They're carrying the staff and carrying the cost. So that evidence is there. About Omicron and what it will be in the future we might not know, but the damage is being done now.
But for now, they're waiting for the government and a decision that could come at any time. Damien Grammaticus, BBC News, Westminster.